2021 had a lot of ups and downs. The global supply chains have been disrupted due to COVID-19 restrictions. Since June 2021, numerous Vietnamese cities and provinces have faced prolonged lockdowns. The number of closed factories and bankruptcies has increased to around 48,554. Likewise, Data V Tech's office has been empty. However, we have coped with higher workload as our customers were not used to sudden isolation and remote work. So, what did we do? We stayed together, trained harder, worked faster, and continuously looked for new members to meet increasing demands. We work hard to enable smart work. Data V Tech, reboot your business. Ready for growth.